Mulberries, also known as white mulberry, is a unique and nutritious fruit full of numerous health benefits. However, did you know that eating Morus alba with certain foods can cause cancer and dementia? Consuming it with certain unhealthy foods can be detrimental to your health. These combinations can increase the risk of cancer and cognitive decline by diminishing the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of Morus alba. Processed foods often contain preservatives and additives linked to an increased risk of cancer. High sodium intake can contribute to hypertension, a known risk factor for heart disease and cognitive decline. Sugary foods and drinks can spike blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance over time and an increased risk of cancer and dementia. Instead, pair Morus alba with healthier options to enhance its benefits. These healthier foods provide vital nutrients that complement the nutrients in Morus alba, improving digestion and boosting immunity. Healthy fats, protein, and fiber help stabilize blood sugar levels and support heart health and brain function. Probiotic-rich foods support gut health and digestion, and when combined with Morus alba, can strengthen the immune system and provide a satisfying snack that aids in weight management and overall well-being. Hi, I'm Dr. Luna, and in this video, I'll share 3 of the worst foods that you should never combine with mulberries, as well as 3 of the best food combinations that you can pair with mulberries for maximum health benefits. First worst food you should never combine with mulberries is aged cheeses. Eating Morus alba with aged cheeses can negate the fruit's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. The interaction between the harmful compounds in aged cheeses and the beneficial nutrients in Morus alba can promote oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in the development of cancer. This combination may also increase the risk of hormone-related cancers, as the high-fat content in aged cheeses can influence hormone levels, further exacerbating cancer risk. To maximize the health benefits of Morus alba and minimize cancer risk, it is crucial to avoid consuming it with aged cheeses. Second worst food you never combined with mulberries is highly processed foods. Consuming mulberries alongside highly processed foods can undermine the health benefits of mulberries and potentially increase the risk of cancer. Highly processed foods, such as ready meals, snack foods, and sugary cereals, often contain unhealthy fats, high levels of sugar and sodium, and various artificial additives and preservatives. These components can contribute to inflammation, oxidative stress, and metabolic disturbances, which are risk factors for cancer. Third and last food you never combine with mulberries is dried fruits. Dried fruits are often treated with sulfites to preserve their color and extend shelf life. Sulfites can cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals and have been linked to respiratory issues. Combining mulberries with dried fruits containing sulfites can diminish the fruit's natural antioxidants and lead to increased oxidative stress, potentially raising the risk of cancer and cognitive decline. All right, we've covered all the worst foods to avoid. Now let's talk about the best combination foods for mulberries. First best combination food with mulberries is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt paired with mulberries creates a nutritious and flavorful combination that supports overall health. Greek yogurt is well known for its probiotic content, which promotes gut health and aids digestion by maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Mulberries, rich in antioxidants like resveratrol, contribute to reducing inflammation and protecting cells from oxidative damage. The combination of creamy Greek yogurt and sweet tart mulberries provides a satisfying texture contrast and a balance of nutrients. This snack or breakfast option not only tastes delicious, but also offers a blend of probiotics and antioxidants, making it a beneficial choice for supporting immune function and overall well-being. Second best combination food you combine with mulberries is apple. Combining apples with mulberries creates a flavorful and nutritious pairing that offers several health benefits. Apples are known for their high fiber content, particularly soluble fiber like pectin, which supports digestive health and helps regulate cholesterol levels. They also provide a good source of vitamin C. Third and last best combination food you combined with mulberries is watermelon. Combining mulberries with watermelon creates a hydrating and antioxidant-rich blend. Watermelon's high water content supports hydration, while mulberries contribute antioxidants like resveratrol and flavonoids for cellular health.